Morning,
Morning.
sir.
Good morning.
In charge with speeding, sir. Have you been driving for 3 years?
No, I've not been driving in the U.S. for 3 years. No, but I've been driving in Africa before the U.S. So I just get my U.S. license like 6 months ago.
Oh, you celebrated by speeding.
No, I didn't see no speed sign on Harris Avenue, and that was the way from Harris to Providence Place, like towards Providence Place Mall. I didn't see no sign, so I thought that was like 30, the speed limits and something like that. But when the cop stopped me, he told me that the speed limit was 25. And then he gave me a ticket and told me that I was driving 35. So, but he wrote 38 on the ticket.
No, he wrote 35.
Oh, okay. I saw another 38 on the side. I don't know what it means, though.
Yeah. Now, you received a driver's license in Rhode Island, right?
Yes.
And you had to study the book, right?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, and then in that book, did you read that unless otherwise posted that the speed limit within the city limits is 25? You didn't read that chapter?
Yes.
Oh, you read that?
I read that, but
Oh, you read it.
there are some other places in
I
the...
think everyone read it, Judge.
Yeah. I read that.
Abide
I
by
read the
is the
book.
issue.
That's why I
But
get
they
my
mean
license.
anything.
You know, but I was with my wife and my two babies. They're over there.
Where are
you know,
they?
So I was.
Where are they? Oh, bring them up here. Come here.
You know, I was with all of them.
Get them up here.
I was with all of them, and I didn't feel like I was speeding because I was just following the cars in front of me. But when he stopped me, I just pulled over. I didn't know why he stopped me, but he told me that I was speeding.
Yeah.
But I was not very looking at my speed when I was driving.
Yeah. Were you in the
She was in the car too.
Were you in the car with him?
Yes, I was in the passenger seat.
Oh, did you tell him to slow down?
Well, I didn't feel like we were, exceeding too much over the limit.
Not too much.
No,
Just a little.
Yeah, just a little. I didn't even.
No, she.
Now we found the honest one. He wasn't looking at the odometer. She felt it.
Who else was in the car?
It just the baby.
Oh, now
was in-
endangerment of a child as well.
Yeah, and he wouldn't. Well, I mean, he wouldn't go over the speed limit,
So-
excessively, knowing that the family was in the car.
I got it. All right. So he endangered your life, the mother of the child, right, and the child, right? Is that what he did?
No, he did not
He
do
did
that.
not. Okay. And who's this little guy?
This is our other son,
What's his name?
Menelik.
Hi. Look up here.
Look at the
Say hi. Hi. All right, come up here. Bring him up here. I want to ask him a question.
Watch your step in the middle.
Over here. No, you stay there. You get back over there. I'm going to ask you two questions, okay?
Okay.
And you're going to say one or the other. Now, we're talking about your father, right? Now, you're going to say guilty or not guilty. What do you say?
Guilty.
Guilty. An honest boy. Shake hands. Good luck. Okay, you can go back. It's official. You are guilty.
No, he didn't understand. He doesn't know what he's saying.
Well, you have a wonderful family.
Thank you.
I'm going to give you credit for your good driving record back in Africa.
Thank you.
Okay? Just be careful down there.
I will.
And you have a very honest young man as well. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right, goodbye.
Have you ever masturbated before?
No.
It's okay if you do.
Have you ever masturbated, Ryan? Oh my gosh. I didn't know that.